Good evening, everyone. This is a quick update on the van project. Got it all cleaned out and ready to go. It went well. It was really dirty. I took some super clean and just went at it. Uh, this is all the staining from the oily mess. It protected the metal. It's just yucky stains all the way along, but it cleaned up good. Otherwise, there's a little bit of rust spotting here. So I'm going to grind out those little rust spots, and there's a little holes where the plywood was bolted down. I'm going to weld it all in, clean it all up. Ended up having to put a skinny steely on to get the door open. Like I said, I need an extender arm on the door. I'll end up making one if I can't find one. Probably end up making one. But anyways, yeah, the floor turned out good. Everything's good. The walls turned out really well. Did the roof and all the gutters, or whatever you want to call them, for the wiring conduit. And the step was really bad. It was just soaked in oil. I didn't even know what color it was under here. But I did the inner track so we can do body work without any oily mess. The toe boards look good. I'm pretty happy with that. The previous owner had gone at this before with a wire brush and some trem clad, so we're just going to clean it up and carry on with it. There's no perforations in here at all. We'll walk around to the other side and I'll show you that side, and we'll call it a day until we do the car shuffle here. But yeah, no, it turned out good. Everything looks good. It's got this plastic liner in it. All GM products from the early 80s, I guess, they put this plastic liner on here. It protects things, so it did its job, and this is just surface rust. I'm not even worried about it. But anyway, there you go. So there's a quick update, and we'll carry on with the car shuffle and get this thing in the shop. Thank you very much for watching.